Well, hello everyone. Tonight I'm going to be showing you a demonstration of this little compact disc changer right here. It can hold up to 5 discs. I have it hooked up to my really nice JVC sound system. So it's pretty nice. Sounds really good, and hopefully this time I don't get no copyright strikes, because yeah, copyright strikes aren't fun. My videos don't get taken down or anything, I just get lots of emails about it. But anyway, here's a demonstration. Let's go ahead and turn the unit on. I'll put the model number in the title. Alright, we'll put it in slot number 1. Close the tray. And hit disc 1. Give it a little volume. Okay, so you pretty much get the point. Basically, to get this hooked up to this, basically what I did is I took some normal like DVD or VCR wires. Let me try to move this speaker wire out of the way. So normal RCA cables. So the white and the red, of course, are for audio. And what I did is I hooked it up to the back of the unit. There is no dedicated port for an external CD player, so I plugged it into the VCR port, and it works good. Sounds really good. The reason I was using that CD is because, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm trying not to get any more copyright strikes. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, of course, you can give it a dislike. And that's it.